Hello, Dr. Bauer.
This is our parts of speech presentation for third grade for Flip Classroom. The essential questions we picked out that we want the kids to be able to answer by the end of the lesson would be: what are the four parts of speech, like the main four parts? What is a noun? What is an adjective? What is an adverb? And what is a verb? For the DOK, we felt like so we split the activities into 4 sections, and we felt like we really put them into the different DOK levels. Like the nouns took over DOK 1, the verb group has like a DOK 2, the adjective group has a DOK 3, and the adverb group has a DOK 4. Our Ed Puzzle classroom code will be LOVANOM. So for the first activity, we decided we would go easy to hardest, kind of like nouns are like the easiest thing to identify and adverbs are the hardest. So for the noun group, we thought we would take the activity and make it pretty simple. We would just give them flashcards that had words on them, and they would get to categorize them into the 4 different parts of speech and kind of make a game out of that.
Okay, so then the second group will be the verbs. For this activity, we have the students pairing off into groups of 2, and they will pass the ball back and forth between each other. One student will name one of the 4 parts of speech, and then the other person with the ball will say a word that correlates with that specific part of speech. And then when they can't think of a word anymore, they will then change the category to the next part of speech. So the next group is the adjectives. For this activity, we have the students doing Mad Libs. They will work on them together as pairs, and they will get to read their stories that they come up with when they are completed. And then the last group we have are the adverbs. For this activity, the students will be given the task to write their own short stories about anything. They will then have to identify the parts of speech in their stories.